doing US CPA or whether you are made up for US CMA made by AICPA. Because CPA has got 4 papers. There are 3 options out of which you can select any one. But if you are based out of India, probably you can't practice it. CPA versus US CMA. For which course you are made for? Are you made for US CPA or are you made for US CMA? Hello everyone, this is CMA Sunny Chandarana, and in today's video I am about to clear all your doubts that for which course you are rightly made up for, whether you are made up for doing US CPA or whether you are made up for US CMA. But all you need to do is just subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that all the notifications related to channel is with you. And with that, let's begin. So guys, before deciding which course you want to opt for, whether you are made up for US CPA or CMA, let's talk about the key difference between CPA and CMA. When we talk about CPA, CPA is provided by AICPA, which is nothing but American Institute of Certified Public Accountant, whereas when we talk about US CMA, it is provided by IMA, which is nothing but Institute of Management Accountants. When we talk about the syllabus, CPA has got 4 papers, which is 3 main papers and 1 selective paper. When we talk about 3 main papers, they are audit and attestation, it is regulation, one is FAR. There are 3 options out of which you can select any one, which is either BAR, either ISP or either TCP. BAR is nothing but business analysis and reporting, TCP is tax compliance and planning, and the last one is information system and control. So out of these 3, you can choose any one, but the 3 papers, which is FAR, audit and regulation, is a mandate paper that you need to clear. Once you have cleared all the 4 papers, in order to get a license, you need to give your ethics paper and you get a complete CPA license. But if you are based out of India, probably you can't practice it, but you can work for many US companies, many big fours do hires. Now let's talk about US CMA. US CMA, there are 2 sections. Out of 2 groups, you can give any group, either part 1 or part 2. Each part has got 6 sections. Each section has got their own area. So overall, if I have to tell you, it is a 12 paper divided into 2 groups. Each group has got 6 papers. Some key topics are FAR, internal control, FP&A, risk management, corporate finance, marginal costing, standard costing. So these are some papers. So here is the key differentiation. Now let's talk about the fee structure. When we talk about US CPA fees, it is slightly overpriced. It ranges somewhere around 4 to 5 LPA to invest, but the return on investment is on the higher side. You can easily get 5x in your first year itself. So it includes everything, be it your registration fees, evaluation fees as per state, your coaching fees, your licensing fees, everything. So it will range you somewhere around 4 to 5 LPA if you are based out of India. When we talk about US CMA, the price is not that much high. It ranges somewhere between 2 to 2.5 LPA, but the return on investment is slightly better than US CPA in the first year itself. So whatever ROI I am talking about, it is from a first year itself. Be it both CPA or CMA, both are professional courses and you can choose whatever you wish to. Someone who is inclined with auditing, taxation, you want to get exposure into public accounting firms. If you are based out of US, people rightly choose CPA. But if you are engaged towards corporate finance, if you are inclined towards management accounting, if you are inclined towards FP&A, which is financial planning and analysis, you should go for CMA. I myself is a US CMA, so since my domain and my expertise is largely into FP&A and management accounting, I thought of pursuing US CMA. But you can choose it for yourself, be it CPA or CMA, both have got their own pros, both have got their own cons. Now let's talk about the controversy. What is going? When we talk about CPA or CMA, there is always a great debate whether US CPA is good or whether US CMA is good. People say that CPA, it's little outdated, the syllabus is not in the correct direction. People say that CMA has not got the global recognition. So there are different pros and cons when we talk about, and the debate itself is too voluminous to spoke about. Some of you viewers might say that CPA is good, some of you viewers might say CMA is good, but I leave up to you. Drop down a comment and let me know on which side you are. Are you a CPA favor or are you a CMA favor? But let's talk about the salary structure. After passing the CPA or CMA, you get a good job in big fours, in large MNCs, and it ranges somewhere around, as a fresher, it ranges somewhere around 7 to 10 LPA, depends on how your interview has gone, how are your skills, what are some additional skills that you are putting in. But overall, be it CMA or CPA, both are good, both is right. If you are choosing to do either CPA or CMA, both are a good professional certification that you can think about. In fact, many Indian students, after pursuing their chartered accountancy course, go for CPA if they want to, see their future in US. If their area of interest is into FP&A, after completing your chartered accountancy course, many Indian students pursue US CMA too. I have got multiple students who have done both CMA plus CPA. So I think that is a cherry on the cake. You having dual professional certification will outstand you from the rest of the people, from rest of the public. So now the choice is yours, whether you are in the favor of CPA or CMA, I leave up to you. But if you honestly like this comparative video, do let me know and I will come up with such videos in near future. And if you like this video, do subscribe and press the bell icon so that all the notifications related to channel is with you. With that, I'll take alvida. You take care.